Alright guys, here is my ground turkey, but you can use ground chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, whatever is your choice. I just like ground turkey because it doesn't have all the fat as ground beef. And I just get this Aldi's brand because I shop at Aldi's because they are a little bit cheaper. And it's a fit and active lean ground turkey, and that's how the package looks. And as you can see, it's almost done. And you just brown it. I like to make sure that it's cooked because one of my worst fears is getting sick off of meat. So I just cook that here, and I have some water boiling in my pot back here. I have it on medium, but I think I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. This is for my spaghetti pasta, and I always Tara chose regular spaghetti. I either choose this or angel hair, whichever one they have. So I got this. Get your favorite kind of spaghetti sauce, guys. We like the meat flavor. These are just some of the seasonings that I'm putting in here. I got salt, got some pepper, got some parsley, got some of my Spanish Goya adobo, got some garlic powder, and if I don't choose garlic powder, I also have this here, which is like a minced garlic in a jar, which works great. I might use that instead of this garlic powder. And I do add sugar to my pasta sauce, guys. If you have not tried that, definitely try it. It is so good in your spaghetti. And I'm not saying pour a bunch. You can use, like, depending on how much pasta sauce you use. For these 2 jars, I may use about a half a cup of sugar. So it makes it a little bit on the sweet side, but it is so tasty, guys. So definitely try that. And I have this here with my aluminum foil because you guys know you gotta have your garlic toast with your spaghetti. And I'm gonna make that, and I'm actually gonna start this in a couple minutes because this literally cooks in about 5 minutes in the oven. So that's why I haven't started it yet. But my ground turkey is almost done, guys. So I will keep you guys posted. It's gonna be yummy. And normally, I would have made some meatballs, but that causes for more stuff to do that I can't stand and do, because as you guys can see, don't mind my messy table. I just got my medicine bag and my purse over here, but I got my computer and I just drank some chocolate milk, but I'm just watching some YouTube because I have to sit sometimes because, as you can see, I'm limping. The heel of this foot, I think I got plantar fasciitis, or however you say that again. So I'm just gonna cook and I'll show you guys the spaghetti.